How to log out of your Amazon Prime account. Hey everybody, today I'll show you guys a quick and easy method to simply log out of your Amazon Prime account. First thing you're going to have to do is make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to log out of, and this will be your home screen. Once you get to your home screen, you'll find different options at the bottom of your screen, like the store, channels, find, and then my stuff. Just head over to the bottom right corner where it says my stuff, and you'll get to the downloads option. You'll also have your watch list and purchase. Now find the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get to the settings menu, scroll down and right under clear video search history, you'll find something called signed in as and then your name. Just go ahead and tap on it and you'll have an option to sign out of all of your Amazon apps. So once you tap on it, you'll get the option, you'll get a pop-up menu. And to confirm your sign out, just tap on sign out and you'll be good to go. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.